Thanks for joining us. My name is Chip Obie, Safetec National Sales and Service Representative. Today we will be demonstrating the chemical spill control solution, Petrolock.
Safetec's Petrolock Absorbent is for use on oil-based fluids. Key points to remember: it quickly and easily absorbs oil-based spills. It is available individually in the Spill Leader Kit and in the multi-purpose kit.
Step 1. Remember to always wear protective gear and exercise caution during cleanup. Step 2. Flip open one side of the top and pour Safetec's Petrolock onto the oil-based fluid. Step 3. Allow the fluid to absorb completely. Please note, add more Petrolock as you feel necessary. Step 4. Finally, you are now ready for cleanup. Remember to follow your facility's removal and disposal guidelines. Safetec Chemical Spill Control Solutions. Easy to use, quick, and effective.
Contact Safetec for more information on chemical spill control solutions and other Safetec products by visiting safetec.com or calling toll-free 1-800-456-7077.